How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a neat little 67 Chevelle Malibu Convertible. It's done in its factory Marina Blue, the white top, white interior. Just a neat car. All the grille, headlight bezels, everything look original and real good condition. Front bumper's been replaced. All the glass is nice in the car. Car's pretty straight down the sides. Nice set of Chevy Rallies on it. And new tires. The convertible top, excellent condition. There's no tears. It was all replaced when they did a restoration on this car. Taillight bezels, they look like they were all replaced, and the moldings on the tail panel and that look original. It's original rear bumper. It does show a little bit of age, a couple little nicks in it. But all in all, looks pretty good. See, the car's pretty flat, straight down the sides. It's got the dual mirrors. The paint on the car I would call nice driver quality paint. Enjoy it. It's got a 283, I believe it's the original motor, was rebuilt per the previous owner. It's got an updated wiring harness in it. It's got power steering. It's a Muncie, or I'm sorry, it's a Saginaw 4-speed trans. The doors look real good. All the interior's real nice. All the dash has been redone. Convertible top frame's real nice. They redid all that when they did the top. Did front and rear seat belts in it. All inside the trunk looks real good. Got the spare car cover comes with it. I got this car from an older gal. Her husband had passed away. This was their cruiser to go all the cruise nights and things with. It's got a direct fit AM FM stereo with iPod capability in it. I really like the Marina Blue and white two-tone. Again, it's 283 with a 4-speed. Thing purrs like a kitten. Came here, run. Just got nice factory dual exhaust on it. Nice quiet mufflers. Still sounds good out the exhaust. Like I said, it's just a great cruiser. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.